We embarked on a journey to realize the full potential of flat sheet steel. Our mission was to pioneer a greener future, making things inspired by nature. We mixed innovation and passion set on reshaping mobility. Imagine a bike born from the folds of green steel like origami. We combined software, computational design, and robotics to fold the chassis. We simplified it to its bare minimum using our patented method of industrial origami. Harnessing the power of the curve, we created a structure with remarkable stiffness, many times stronger than the competition. We meticulously cut the puzzle of foldable surface structures, and the result? A lightweight and super strong exoskeleton. By merging design, construction, geometry, material properties, and art, we've refined the journey from material to product to the least steps necessary. The result? Stilride. Fewer parts, less weight, and significantly lower CO2 emissions. But this is just the beginning.